Optimum Mobile adheres to FCC regulations, allowing eligible prepaid customers to unlock their phones for use on other compatible networks. This benefits users who want to switch carriers or travel internationally. To be eligible, your device must be fully paid off with no outstanding balance, and the account must be in good standing, meaning it's active and not suspended or reported lost stolen. For prepaid plans, the device must have been activated for at least 12 months. Postpaid plans typically allow unlocks after a shorter period, often around 60 days. The device also needs to be compatible with Optimum's network and not blacklisted. Once you meet these requirements and submit a request, unlocks are typically processed within 1 to 2 business days. No fees are charged for unlocking your device in accordance with FCC rules. You can request an unlock through the Optimum Mobile website or app. Log into your account and navigate to the Device Unlock section. You'll need to enter your device's IMEI, which can be found in the phone's settings or on the device box. Submit the request and wait for processing. Alternatively, you can call Optimum Mobile customer service at 1-888-225-5296 for prepaid support or visit a retail store. Have your account details and IMEI ready, and be prepared to provide proof of eligibility. While formal paperwork isn't usually required, keeping a record of your request, confirmation email, or SMS is a good practice. Once unlocked, your SIM card can be used on other compatible carriers. Note that unlocking is generally irreversible and might void warranties in rare cases if the device was subsidized.